Hey guys, we'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Blu-ray Avatar, The Way of Water. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what kind of special stuff we've got inside here. So, there we go. Oh, there it is. Packaging, cool. So as you can see from the package, it's actually water themed already. It's got a see-through Blu-ray case, which is pretty cool, makes it stand out. Let's check out some of the features here. A return to the magnificent world of Pandora. 2-disc set, includes over 3 hours of bonus features. Disc 1, Blu-ray Avatar The Way of Water, and Disc 2, Blu-ray bonus features, including, let's see if I can zoom in so you guys can read with me here. The new characters of Pandora, the challenges of Pandora's waters, bringing Pandora to life, Pandora's returning characters, and so much more. Wow. Whoa, look at that. I saw Avatar in the theaters and it was amazing. Of course, you have to see Avatar in the theaters, but now that I have the Blu-ray, I'm so excited to be watching this as many times as I can here at home. Especially with the Blu-ray, you're definitely going to have those high definition graphics that you want. And of course, these bonus features that it's quite interesting. They spent a lot of money producing this movie. There's a lot of behind the scenes on the animation and the just the graphics and development of everything. So I'm sure that this is totally worth it just for the bonus features on how they made this movie and the motion capture that they used. It's amazing, really. So I highly recommend Avatar The Way of the Water. It was an amazing movie, and of course check it out on Blu-ray so that you can go ahead and get these bonus features. So it's 2 discs inside. Unfortunately, there's no little promo codes or anything like that. That's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out Avatar The Way of Water.